Processing device. Processing is done on the data entered into the computer input to convert it into meaningful information through a processor. This process transforms raw data into results or insights that can be used for various purposes such as making decisions or completing tasks. CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is a processor, sometimes called a microprocessor. It is the brain of the computer that does all the calculations and runs all the programs. It manages all the operations and carries out the basic instructions which operates a computer. The three main components of CPU are ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, performs mathematical and logical operations. CU, Control Unit, coordinates and controls all the operations of a processor and manages the flow of data within the CPU. Memory Unit, stores data and instructions temporarily for quick access during processing.